Alright guys, so as you can see, we went ahead and we got our LEDs in on the main wing here. It's going to take about 20 to 30 minutes for that to dry. So while we're waiting on that, we found out that the battery holder doesn't work that well, how it comes with mid-airs. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our glue gun, and you'll probably need a napkin. So have a napkin ready. You're going to take the Velcro, whatever size Velcro you plan to use. Just keep in mind weight is definitely a factor here. We're going to take our glue gun. We're going to put a glob in the center here. Go ahead and put your Velcro down in there. Hold it, and then on the sides, add more glue. And then go ahead and glue your piece of wood down on top of the Velcro. Just take that and clamp it right back down in there how it goes. Press and hold that. And hold it for probably a couple minutes so everything stays in there nice and firm, and you'll be good to go. That way when you have mid-airs, you won't have to worry about the whole front of the nose coming off. Alright, moving forward, we got our LEDs in. They are Zap-A-Dap down. We went ahead and we took care of the battery mount that is glued in. So we're going to flip over, and we're going to move forward with, we got a pin on there. We're going to move forward with the servos. One thing that we did that we did not have on the video, you do have to open up your mounts a little bit if you're going to use the Hobby King, the HXT 500s. When you're cutting those out with your X-Acto knife, air on the inside closer to your receiver because your leads aren't extra long, so and you definitely don't want to use extensions. That will be a weight problem. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to mount the servo with the horn up. That way when you land in the grass or when you catch it, etc., you're not going to mess up any of the horns. So just go ahead and place the lead through. Leave it in out just a little bit, and we're going to take our glue gun, which we still have, just a dab on top and a dab on bottom, and press it down. Glue's on. So go ahead and finish pressing him in. And he's good to go, and then just go ahead and repeat that process for your other servo. Alright guys, nothing special about this part, but we figured we'd add it just because we figured out a way to make it a bit simpler with the pins that we used earlier to pin down the LED lights while we use the Zap-A-Dap. We're going to bring the Zap-A-Dap back for the wingtip here. So what you want to do is take your Zap-A-Dap, go ahead and apply it to the wingtip. Once you have a decent amount on there, take your wingtip, bonsai out, make a note of that. Make sure you place this on there so it's nice and flush. That way it's nice and clean. And then the little trick that we found out with these pins is once you have it on there, just go ahead and take these little pins and pin right in through the wing. That'll go ahead and hold it on while you let it dry. Once again, just like the LED lights, you will need to let this sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes before you move forward. But go ahead and pin that bad boy down, and then we will move forward with the LED lights on the wingtips.